Good morning, students. Today, students, we will do activity 7 of lesson number 5, multiplication. And in this module, students, you will learn estimation in multiplication. Do you know what is estimation? Estimation in multiplication means to make the calculation easier. How? By finding the answer closer to the actual number. For that, what you have to do? You have to round off the number. Clear? If there is a 2 digit, then you have to round off the number to nearest tens. If there are 3 numbers, then you have to round off the number to nearest thousand. But student, if there is only one number, then you will not round off. Okay? So let's start with it. So activity 7 is having only one question, that is estimate each of the following product. And now I will do one by one all the parts. Firstly, I do first part. So in the copy you will write activity 7, then question, estimate each of the following product. Then first part 45 into 32. Then you have to round off 45. So how you write? 45 is rounded off 2. Now you know that in nearest tens you have to see the ones place. If the ones place number is 5 and more than 5, then you add 1 on tens place. So circle 1 is a tens place, so you add 1 on tens place. So 4 plus 1, what it becomes? 5, and underlined digit becomes 0. So answer come 50. Now 32 is rounded off 2. 32 is closer to which number? 30. How do you know? Because we see ones place number. Ones place number is 2, which is smaller than 5. So I will not give 1 to tens place. So that's why my 3 will remain 3 and underlined digit becomes 0. Now what I do? I will multiply these two numbers, 50 into 30. You have learned in this chapter that when we multiply the numbers which are having 0 at the end, we put the 0 as it is and only multiply the digits like 5 and 3. So 5 3s are 15. So answer will be 1500. Then you write hence line. Hence line is estimate product is 1500. Clear? Now we do second part. Second part is 645 into 5. Now how many digits it is having? 3. It means that in 3 digit we will see the tens place, because you know na, first place is of ones, then comes tens, then comes 100. Now we will compare which place? Tens place. Tens place, that's why I underline, and when I underline tens place, I will compare its tens place with 5. 4 is smaller, so I get extra point on 6. No. So my answer will be 600, means underline digit becomes 0 0. Now second digit is 5. As I said you that if there is a one digit present, so we will not round off. Clear? So 5 will come as it is. So you multiply this 600 with 5. What answer comes? 6 5s are 3. And there are 2 0. So they put 2 zeros. So answer is 3000. Then you write estimated product. Estimated product is 3000. Now in question 3. 5 to 4 into 62. Now one digit, in one number there are 3 digits, second number there are 2 digits. So means in 3 digit you have to round off to nearest 100, and when there are 2 digit you have to round off to nearest 10. Nearest 100 you see the tens place. Tens place if smaller than 5, then 100 place will not get extra points, so 5 will come as it is and other digit become 0 0. If the underlined digit, see the next place, it is having 62. 62 means it is having 2 digit number. So 2 digit number we see ones place number. Ones place number is 2, which is smaller than 5. So we will not give extra point to 6. So 6 will come as it is and underlined digit becomes 0. Now we multiply these two numbers. It is having 3 zeros. So we put 3 zeros as it is and multiply 5 with 6. 5 6 are 30. So answer will be 30,000. So you write hence estimated product is 30,000. Clear? Now students, we do fourth one. 169 into 53. We will find out the estimated answer. So firstly I will round off 169. How I do? It is having 3 digits. So I will see which place? Tens place. It is having 6. 6 is bigger than 5? Yes. So what I do, I take extra point on 1, so it becomes 2. 169 will becomes 200 because 100 places 1. In 1 I add 1, it becomes 2, and from 10th place to 1st place all digit become 0 0. Now 53 is rounded off to 50 because we see 1's place is smaller than 3 5, so 5 will come as it is and underlined digit become 0. Now I multiply these two numbers. As I said you, how many 0 it is having? It is having 1 2 3 0. Now I add multiply 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. So my answer is 10,000. Clear? Similarly, we do fifth part. In fifth, it is having 2 digit. It means we see ones place. Ones place number, if it is smaller than 5, then we will not give extra point to next place. Next place is 8. So 8 I give extra point? No. So it comes 80 as it is. Now see the next number. 67 is rounded off to 7 is greater than 5. May I give extra point to 6? Yes. So this 6 becomes 7 and this 7 will be converted in 0. Now what I do? I multiply these two numbers. 80 into 70. What answer come? 8 sevens are 56 and 0 0. So estimated answer is 5600. Clear? So you write this answer only. Now we do sixth part. In sixth part written, 786 is rounded off to. It is having 3 digits. So what you do? You will see the ones place. Once 3 digit, you have to see the tens place. Tens place number is 8, which is greater than 5. When 8 is greater than 5, then a circle 1 digit you will add 1. So 7 now becomes 8. And from underlined digit to the last digit, all digit become 0 0. So answer come 800. Now second digit is 6. We will not round off 6 because it is having one digit only. So 6 will come as it is. 800 into 6, answer come 4800. Then you write hence line, hence estimated product is 4800. Clear? Now we do seventh question. 103 is rounded off to 103. We see tens place. It is having 0, which is smaller than 5. So 103 is rounded off to 100. Now 23 is rounded off to, we see the ones place. It is 3 less than 5. So 2 will come as it is and we put 0. Now 100 you have to multiply with 20. So when you multiply it, answer come 2000. So this is your estimated answer. You write hence estimated product is 2000. Clear? Now we do last part of it. Last part is 528 into 69. 528, we round off 5 only. Why? Because 5 is on 100 place and we see tens place number. Tens place number is smaller than 5. So we will not change 5. 5 will come as it is and underline digit to last digit, all digit become 0 0. Now we do next part 69. 69 is rounded off to 70 because 9 is greater than 5. So 6 will be increased by 1. So it becomes 70. Now we multiply 500 into 70. Answer come. There are 3 zeros. We put 3 0 as it is. 5 sevens are 35. So the estimated product is 35,000. Clear, students? So students, today you learn how to multiply the number by rounding off. Means if you find the answer in estimation, firstly you have to round off each digit. If they are single digit, then you will not round off. If they are 2 digit, then you have to round off to nearest tens. If they are 3 digit, then you have to round off the number to nearest 100. Clear? So I hope you understand and you have to complete it in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.